Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Monday, February 27, 2023. It is 3:51 and 29 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, leukemia. So let's jump to it here. The researchers discovered new promising targeted drug for rare leukemia, date February 23, 2023. Source: University of Helsinki. As treatment for acute myeloid leukemia in the future, the discovery may help patients with certain rare subtypes of the disease. Venetoclax works by sensitizing cancer cells to program cell death. However, a new study now shows that venetoclax does not appear to be effective against erythroid and megakaryoblast leukemia, two rare subtypes of the disease that are difficult to treat. In these leukemia types, malignant cells resemble blood stem cells that produce red blood cells or platelets. Currently, few treatment options are available to these patients. In the laboratory, the researchers screened a wide selection of pharmaceutical agents that could be effective, specifically against erythroid or megakaryoblast leukemia cells. Among the more than 500 agents analyzed, BCL-XL protein inhibitors, in particular, were effective in killing cancer cells isolated from these types of leukemia. The BCL-XL protein has a similar function of preventing cells from being driven to program cell death as BCL2, the target of venetoclax. At the moment, BCL-XL inhibitors are not used to treat patients, but their efficacy and safety are currently being investigated in clinical trials. The introduction of venetoclax has significantly improved the prognosis of AML patients. However, the research indicates that venetoclax is unlikely to function optimally against the subtypes of AML in the focus. The research scientists study. Nevertheless, the findings should be verified in larger patient datasets. AML is the most common type of acute leukemia. In adults, it can be divided into subtypes based on mutations and the degrees of differentiation of leukemia cells. One challenge associated with the use of targeted drugs is identifying patients who benefit from the new drug options. The study contributes to making the selection of targeted drugs more precise. The laboratory findings provide evidence that patients with erythroid or megakaryoblast acute leukemia would be a promising group for investigating the efficacy of BCL-XL inhibitors in clinical use. The researchers believe that BCL-XL inhibitors will be trailed in the treatment of these leukemia types in the near future. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.